Hey guys, so I've seen this video recently of a guy, he basically bought followers on some website online. He paid like $50 and got like 5,000 followers I think. So I thought I might try some of the free ones and see how they work. There's one there that claims to be instant. So what I want to try to do is create a brand new account and see if the followers actually come through. So let me just set up this account really quick. Okay, so there's our brand new account, so 0 followers. I'm gonna try the method really quick and see how it goes. Now take note of the time right here. So it's 10:51 right now. I'm gonna see how fast these come in. So I'm gonna try the 1,000. They claim to be able to do up to 10,000 for free. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I just did it. As you can see, it only takes a minute or so. Now let's see if anything happens here. Maybe it takes a few minutes, we'll see. They said it was instant, but we'll see how long it takes. Okay, so it's been a few minutes now, let's refresh. Alright, 25, that's not bad. We got 1,000. So let's wait a few more minutes and see what happens. Alright, so they're coming in every few seconds it seems. What's it on now? 35? Damn. It seems to be working. I wonder... We'll see how long it takes to reach 1,000. So right now it's 11:02. They seem to have started now. It seems that every couple of seconds there's new people, like 1 second ago, 1 second ago, 1 second ago. This is crazy. I'm gonna leave a link in the comments to the video that I've seen on how to do this. It doesn't cost anything either. 77 right now. Okay, it looks like we reached 100. What's that, in 5 minutes? Okay, so it's been about 20-25 minutes. 382 followers. I think from here on I'll do like a time lapse of it instead of just showing you guys every couple of minutes. So here we go. Guys, look at this right now. It's going crazy fast. 698, 705. Literally, once I hit 500, it just started going crazy fast. I said we finished within maybe 3 minutes. Wow. Alright guys, we're about to hit 1,000. 998. 1,009. All for free, guys. Jeez, it just keeps going. It only asked for 1,000. Look, almost every single refresh. Is it gonna stop now? Alright, well there you go. 1,000 followers for free. I'll link the tutorial in the description that I used. Pretty simple really. So what time did we start at? We started at, I think it was 5 minutes past. So in 40 minutes, 1,000 followers. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and maybe even a comment. See if it worked for you. Let us know. See you in the next one. Just before I end the video, we actually hit 1,100 followers. That's crazy. Alright, take care guys.